Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Array Diamond. This is day 91 of my journey towards building a purpose of here. So the value of my portfolio today is 36 lakh 4,000 और लास्ट ट्रेडिंग डे में हमें 32,000 का लॉस हुआ है. तो देखते हैं कि किस म्यूचुअल फंड की वजह से ये 32,000 इम्पैक्ट हुआ है. ETF में 4,000 का ड्रॉप है. स्मॉल कैप अ बिग ड्रॉप 12,000. ELSS 6,000. Contra 400, which is like normal. Flexi cap 2,000. Fund of fund 2,500 approximately. Mid cap 2,200. Multi cap 1,400. Every fund is not doing good, is down. So major fall come through ETF, small cap, ELSS in my portfolio. But you will also see that these mutual fund again take a big recovery. So as when you get an option to when the market is going down, we get an opportunity to buy. So keep some fund in liquid also. That could be your liquid fund. Okay, so as and when market is going down, you can move that fund into your existing fund like small cap, mid cap, or any ETF fund. Okay, so fund of fund is something that I can exit maybe be in July end or August end if I get a good opportunity. So high chance I'll sell these two mutual fund in August and move this fund, these 3,39,000 in my other fund. So okay, and a few fund I have kept just because of maintaining the liquidity with me. So it is multi-asset fund, multi-cap and Contra. So if you will see, almost 1,60,000 invested और there's a gain of 4,000. तो आप इस फंड को फ्यूचर में अपने ड्रॉप डाउन फंड में डाल सकते हो ताकि आपकी एक अच्छी एवरेज बन जाए. तो दिस इज़ व्हाट वी विल लर्न ऑल्सो एंड मे बी यू नो दैट. सो ये 3 फंड जो हैं ये मैंने लिक्विडिटी मेंटेन करने के लिए करे हैं ताकि सडनली अगर मार्केट में ड्रॉप आ जाता है तो आपके ये वाले फंड ज़्यादा नहीं गिरते हैं. ओके, बट जो रेस्ट ऑफ द फंड है दे गिव यू अ गुड ग्रोथ इन द लॉन्ग रन इन द पीरियड ऑफ 7 year or 10 year. So that's all for today, guys. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel if you like the content.